Hello and welcome to Maths Albertoire today. Today we want to look at important units. The second part B. The first part I treated was part A that talks about mass of objects. So this part B, we want to look at capacity, very important, capacity. So when you say capacity of a container, what are you talking about? Capacity of a container means the inside space available for that container to hold something, to carry something. The inside space available for a container to carry something is what we call the capacity of that container. And the basic unit of capacity is liter. I know you know liter very well. What I'm holding is 1 liter container. So if I want to find the capacity of a bucket, all I need to do is I fetch water with this 1 liter and empty it into the bucket. I keep doing that and keep counting the number of times I was able to fill the water, fill the bucket. So let's say if it's 5 times, I will conclude that the capacity of the bucket is 5 liters. So liter is not the only unit of capacity. We have other unit of capacity, and that's what we want to look at now. Other unit of capacity, and the first one is called milliliter. So when we hear in capacity, everything you mention will always end with liter. You mention something to end with liter. Take note. So 10 milliliters make 1 centiliter. 10 centiliters make 1 deciliter. 10 deciliter make 1 liter. 10 liters make 1 decaliter. 10 decaliters make 1 hectoliter. 10 hectoliters make 1 kiloliter. So the smallest unit of capacity is milliliter, while the biggest one is kiloliter. Take note, I didn't say kilometer. If you say kilometer, you are talking about unit of another important unit which we call distance. So from milliliters down to kiloliter. So everything ends with liter. So 10 milliliters make 1 centiliter. 10 centiliters make 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters make 1 liter. 10 liters make 1 decaliter. 10 decaliters make 1 hectoliter. 10 hectoliters make 1 kiloliter. So recite. The work for you to do now is to recite. To do this for me, you do the recitation until you do the recitation. Class work very quickly now. You are going to do the recitation of this for me until you get accustomed to it. Alright, so recite the units until you get used to them, from milliliter down to kiloliter. Thank you very much for watching. I'm grateful. Thank you so much. But please remember to like, to subscribe, and to share with others. Thank you so much. In my next video under important unit, we are going to see how we can navigate our way through the unit of capacity. Bye for now.